Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back again to Majid Fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances. Our subject today is designed for beginners in the fragrance community. I choose for you different brands from Middle East, from France, Europe. This collection is gonna help you to find your best fragrance with less price. So if you are new in this channel, hello and welcome. Subscribe my friend. This is your channel to get always our news. Stay tuned. Welcome back again. We're gonna start our list with Midnight in Paris. This fragrance is from the collection of Midnight, the house of Geparlys. This beautiful fragrance comes in 85 ml and it belongs to the line of Ambery Oriental Fruity Aromatic. This fragrance also is 100% Armani Stronger With You. No need to buy Armani Stronger With You. Buy this one with not over $20 or $25. You will have the same smell and more long lasting with more sillage. This beautiful fragrance open with cardamom, violet and apple. After that you will get lavender, pepper, melon, amber woody, and in the base note we have cedar with vanilla and ambergris. Beautiful fragrance, can use it in fall. We are expecting fall, so this one is beautiful in the cool seasons. It's also more beautiful if you use it in the night. You will have a sweet and warm spicy scent that's based on woody scent. Midnight in Paris from Geparlys. However, this beautiful fragrance was released in 2015 by the house of Rasasi. It belongs to the line of aromatic aquatic fragrances designed for men. This scent also designed for fall, spring and winter, and it's more beautiful in the day than the night. If you love Invictus from Paco Rabanne, definitely this one will love it. It's have the same DNA. It's open with bergamot, with apple. There is also cinnamon, lemon. The middle notes contain watery notes with orange blossom and cardamom. The base contain ambergris, musk, woods and patchouli. Here you will get a good longevity. It's long lasting. The sillage also is from moderate to good, and the scent it's one of the fruity, watery, citrusy notes that's based on sweet and woody scent. Hawas from Rasasi. "9 p.m. One of the strongest releases from the house of Afnan, one of the best Middle East brands that specialist in fragrances. This one is an Oriental vanilla fragrance for men. The scent was released in 2020 and it's more beautiful if used in the night of the cool seasons like fall, winter and spring. It's open with apple, cinnamon, there is also lavender, bergamot, and when it's dry you're gonna smell a lot of sweetness become from tonka beans mixed with vanilla. There is amber, patchouli, and the flowers here like orange blossom. It make a good bridge between the opening and the dry down. This scent also is one of the best clones of Ultramal from the house of Jean-Paul Gaultier. So if you find old batches, it was more better. It's gonna stick with you for a long time regarding the longevity and the sillage. Black Touch. This fragrance from Franck Olivier. This is a French house, and this fragrance exactly it belongs to the line of woody, warm fragrances for men. This scent was released in 2009. It's more beautiful in fall, spring and winter. This scent also can be used in all occasions, in the day or in the night. It's open with some spices mixed with grapefruit, cardamom, bergamot. The middle notes contain flowers of orange. There is jasmine, magnolia, and in the base we have vetiver mixed with cedar woods and patchouli with vanilla. This scent is a long-lasting scent. You will have here a good sillage The scent is, in general, it's an woody aromatic that's based on patchouli and fresh spicy notes. Craze from Armaf. This fragrance is very similar to Pegasus from Parfum de Marly. This scent also is designed for those who can't buy Pegasus. It's a niche and high price fragrance, so no need to buy it, just stick with Craze. For entry levels, for beginners, this one wanna give you an oriental fougere scent. Also, it's more beautiful if you use it in the cool seasons like fall, winter, maybe in spring if the weather is cold. It's open with some spices like cumin mixed with bergamot, heliotrope, and the middle notes contain that beautiful lavender with nutmeg, with also jasmine. The base contain vanilla, amber. So this scent, Craze from Armaf, it's characterized by the almond notes. So if you love Craze, definitely you're gonna feel in love with this one. It's long-lasting almond. You're gonna enjoy that sweetness and nutty, fruity scent also that based on woody notes. Craze from Armaf. Evoke Gold for him from the house of Ajmal. This fragrance was released in 2018. It's one of the best woody aromatic fragrances in this house. The scent is designed for all seasons. You can wear it in office because it's an powdery scent. It's beautiful, not harsh for nose. The scent here, it's similar to Prada L'Homme, the eau de toilette version. It's open with neroli mixed with black pepper. After that, you will have an ambery and woody scent. And the main note here is the iris. Here we have the roots of iris. It's gonna stick with you from the opening till the dry down. Here you will get a long-lasting fragrance with moderate to strong longevity. Amber Oud Rouge from Al Haramain. This fragrance is very similar to Baccarat Rouge. Amber Rouge is an oriental floral fragrance designed for both women and men. This scent was released in 2019 and it's open with saffron. After that you will have jasmine and when it's dry totally, you're gonna smell musk with ambergris and woody cedar. This scent also is a long-lasting, the longevity from moderate to strong. I recommend you to try this one if you love Baccarat Rouge, the eau de parfum version. Here the scent in general, it's ambery, warm, spicy and animalic, and when it's dry totally, when it's reach the base notes, you will smell a leathery and tobacco notes. Thank you, my lovers, for watching this episode. Today I choose for you different fragrances from different brands. So this episode is especially designed for beginners and entry levels of fragrances to help you choose the right fragrance with less price and also the high quality ingredients. The performance also we don't forget it. If you love this content, tell me in comments to I will in every week I will do for you an episode like that. So thank you another time. If you have any experiences with these fragrances, tell us also in comments, and see you in the next video.